Let's draw and color a fun birthday party, Adraw Explorers.
Hello, friends! Welcome to Adraw Explorers! Today, we're going to draw and color fun things from a birthday party. Grab your pencils and let's get started! Wow, look at this amazing birthday party! But wait, something is missing! Where is our heart-shaped balloon? And look, our big two-tier birthday cake is missing! Wait, where's our birthday cat? Oh no, the striped candle for our cake is gone too! And look, our candy-shaped gift box with stripes is missing! What's going on? Let's work together and find them all! First, let's draw a heart-shaped balloon. Follow the dots. Follow the dots. Follow the dots. And yay! Now, let's color it. I'll choose pink, but you can pick any color you like. Woohoo! Hooray! Excellent! Now, let's draw a big two-tier birthday cake. Start from the top. Connect the dots. Connect the dots. Bravo! Time to color! I'll make the top layer soft blue and the bottom layer purple. Look at this beautiful cake! The cream on the bottom layer is soft purple and the cream on the top layer is pink. So pretty! Amazing! Look who's here to celebrate! A cute kitty with a party hat. Let's draw its round face, ears, and little whiskers. Now, let's add the party hat. Follow the dots. Excellent! Follow the dots. Excellent! Time to color. I'll add a red ribbon around its neck and a pink party hat on its head. Next, I'll color the cat gray. What color will you choose? Wow, super! Every birthday needs presents. Let's draw a big candy-shaped gift box and add some fun stripes. Follow the dots. Wow, super! Connect the dots. Yay! Now let's make it colorful. I'll choose green and yellow with striped patterns. What about you? Fantastic! Brilliant! A birthday party isn't complete without a candle. Let's draw a colorful candle. Connect the dots. Great job! Now let's color it. I'll make the candle pink and blue with striped patterns. So pretty! Yippee! Fantastic! Wow! Look at all the amazing things we drew today. A balloon, a cake, a party cat, a candy-shaped gift, and a colorful candle. You did an incredible job, explorers. Show your drawing to your family and friends. Adraw Explorers! Thank you for drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another fun adventure with Adraw Explorers.